Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica. This is Anudeepa from Support. Today we are here to discuss about the connection assignment. We will discuss about what is connection assignment, types of connection assignment, how to assign a connection, missing link report, and demo for the same. What is connection assignment? In EDC, we scan many resources, and connection assignment ensures that the source connection maps accurately to the schemas or databases from the resources. For example, we scan a ETL resource like Power Center or Informatica platform, which brings up the mapping. And this mapping contains a lineage from a source to the target. We have already these source and targets present in EDC, which has been scanned using some other resources. But connection assignment comes into picture at this exact point when we need to map this source of the mapping to the actual object which we have scanned in the EDC earlier. This is the exact thing that connection assignment does. Types of connection assignment. There are two ways in which this connection assignment can be done. That is, manually we can assign, which comes under the manual assignment, whereas auto assignment, which will be the connections will be assigned automatically. How to assign a connection? As mentioned, there is the manual assignment and the auto assignment. For the manual assignment, you can go to the connection assignment tab from the manage of the LDM admin. There, once you click on the connection assignment, you will see a tab which will be listing out the connections. From there, you can either assign the connections or unassign the connections. For auto assignment of the connections, while configuring the resources like the ETL resources, Power Center, or the Informatica platform, in the metadata load settings, there will be an option to enable or disable the auto connection assignment. Once you enable that option, then the connection assignment will run automatically and then the connection assignment operation performs. When we discuss about the connection assignment, there is also one more thing that which will be useful while debugging the connection assignment issues, which is the missing link report. Missing link report can be generated from the LDM admin from the same connection assignment tab. This report can be used for analyzing the any missing links or what are all the connections assigned or what are all the connections which are still in unassigned state. For all these things to analyze, we can use this missing link report. Let's see the demo for the same in a live environment. So I have scanned a sample Informatica platform resource. So here in this resource, I have disabled the auto assign connections. I have set it to false and I have run the resource. The resource run is successful. If we go to the catalog and it extracted one mapping, this is a sample mapping where there involves a source and target. So if you can see, there is one source table and target table, and this indicates that these are the reference resources and not the actual objects because these assets are uh, not present in the catalog or we did not do the connection assignment yet. And when we go to the lineage, we can see that the lineage is from the reference resources, from this source reference table to target reference table. So here in the same connection, we will go to in the LDM admin, go to the manage connection assignment. When we run the PC resource, here we can see this creates a record here. So under the user assigned connection, it is creating record because we did not enable the auto assign connections. Already I have scanned the source and the target tables in the catalog. So I will just try to assign the connection. We will go to the assign and then I will do the I will go to the that exact asset which I am trying to connect. So this is the one I will choose the schema as the endpoint and then I will select it. Now it will go to the in progress and then it will get assigned. And in the same way, I will assign the SQL server as well. We can refresh here and if we see both are in progress. Now we can see that the connections are assigned. Let us go to the LDM catalog and refresh the page and we will see the mapping now. Now if you can see in the overview page, earlier we used to see the reference. Now if we see these are mapped to the actual objects and we can see the path as well. Go to the lineage and in the lineage as well we can see the actual objects. This is how the manual connection assignment done. Whatever the manual assignment connections comes, those comes under the user assign. And if we enable the auto assigned connection, and those all the connections comes under the auto assigned. So if you enable the auto assigned connections and run the resource again, that will come under the auto assigned connections, and the connections will get automatically assigned, and then you will see the lineage as the same. This is how the connection assignment works. And from the same page you can even unassign or reassign the connections as well. As mentioned earlier, here you can see the option for the generate missing links report, which you can use to generate the missing link report, and that you can use for the analysis of the if there are any missing links or so, that you can do the for the analysis. This is how the missing link report looks like. Source object, object ID, object name, resolved yes or no, reference resource, object ID, and all. These are the details that you will get. As there are no missing links in this specific connection, the complete file is empty. You can refer to the links below for any queries related to the connection assignment. If you have any feedback to give, we would love to hear from you. These are the links that you can provide the feedback. Thank you.